Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to check out how to fund your Lendingclub account from another bank. Now that your Lendingclub account is verified, the next step is moving money into it, and here's how to fund your account quickly from another bank. The first step is to log into your account, so go ahead and sign into your Lendingclub app through the website. Next, you're going to go to transfers, so from your dashboard just tap transfers or move money. Next is to link your external bank. So select add external accounts and then enter your other bank's routing and account number. You may also use instant verification by logging into your other bank directly through Lendingclub. Next step is to confirm ownership. Now, if you use manual entry, Lendingclub may send two small deposits to your external accounts. So log into that bank, note that the amounts, and then return to Lendingclub and confirm them. Next is to make your transfer. Now choose the external account and then select how much to transfer and then hit confirm. Standard transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days. And that's it. Your Lendingclub account is now funded and ready to use. In the next video, we're going to walk through how to set up direct deposits so that your paycheck goes straight into your account. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.